everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be unboxing some baby products that I was sent by Sleepyhead of Sweden. This video is being sponsored by Sleepyhead of Sweden. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So they sent me their Sleepyhead Deluxe pod in 0 to 8 months and also their Sleepyhead Deluxe 0 to 8 months per cover. They also sent me their Sleepyhead mobile toy app and also their Sleepyhead hanging toy set. Basically, they have two sizes of their Sleepyhead Deluxe pod, one in 0 to 8 months and the other one is 9 months to 3 years. I got the one of 0 to 8 months because that is what I need at the moment. And they also have different colors that you can choose from. Same goes to their spare covers. I'm not going to be trying out these products today because my baby haven't arrived yet. But once my baby arrives, I'm going to update this video, show you guys how my baby sleeps and plays on this deluxe pod. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into this unboxing video.
You are murder me. You are murder, 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 murder me. You are murder, 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 murder me. So make you give them, girl.
So this is the Sleepyhead and it comes in a poly bag like this, so you can store the Sleepyhead when you're not using it. So I'm just going to bring it out and show you properly. So this is what the Sleepyhead Deluxe pod looks like, and it retails for €170. So this is the deluxe spare cover that I was sent, and this retails for €75. They have different colors to choose from in case you're buying this. So this is the toy arc that I was sent. They have different colors of this and each of them have different prices as well. So I chose the pristine white, which retails for €20. I wasn't expecting this, but they were kind enough to send it as well. And it's their hanging toy set. It retails for €20 as well. So I'm going to put everything together so you at least see what it looks like before buying it. I forgot to mention that they have different colors of the Sleepyhead Deluxe pod, but I chose this color for my baby. So this is how it's done.
You are murder me. You are murder, 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 murder me. You are murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, have His mercy. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You are murder me, You are murder me.
So guys, our Sleepyhead Deluxe pod is fully ready and this is what it looks like. Honestly, I love it. I just can't wait for my baby to arrive so we can chill together in this beautiful Sleepyhead. So you can place this on the bed, on the floor, on the couch. Any flat surface is okay to place this. And also, if you want to change the mattress, all you need to do is to unzip it. You see, so you unzip it and change your mattress. So guys, that's basically it for this unboxing video. I know it's quite expensive, but sometimes you get what you pay for. I'm going to leave their website and also a direct link to all the products that I was sent in the description box below in case you're interested. So please don't forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Until next time. Bye guys.
They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone. And since I have it at the moment, you the one I wanna shine my light on. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on? Ain't nothing cooler than the wrong moves when you do them to the right song,